Hey, good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be adding these adjustable feet to my bench so I can use it as an outfeed table with my table saw. So I'm just going to mark out where I want to drill my holes. Then I'm going to use this dowel centering jig to drill the appropriately sized hole, which in this case is a 1/2 inch. That way I can insert the foot and level it up. Perfect. Now I just need to do 3 more on this bench and 4 more on the other bench. Now we begin the long task of leveling each table, then leveling it to each other, and then getting it on the table saw. Yeah. All right, I think I've got the tables pretty well leveled, side to side and to each other. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, I think that'll work. Now, from the tables to the table saw, I had to do the best I could because as you can see, these workbench tabletops tip down a little bit, but I think it'll be okay as long as they're not above the table saw. Now, to keep them from drifting apart, I'm just going to throw these little toggle latches on each end and we'll see how well they stay together. Let me get those put on. All right, I got the toggle latch installed on both ends, so it keeps the benches from drifting apart. I would recommend a slightly heavier duty latch than what I used. I think I am going to have to eventually replace these, but for now, it does the job. Keeps the benches pretty secure together. So there you have it. Height adjustable benches that aren't going to come apart when I use them.